Far below the waves, beyond the reach of sunlight, lies a world few humans will ever see. A world of darkness. A world of crushing pressure. A world where survival depends on adaptations so bizarre they often seem impossible. Most people imagine sharks as rulers of the open ocean. Great whites patrol coastal waters. Tiger sharks cruise tropical seas. Hammerheads sweep through schools of fish. But thousands of feet below the surface lives a shark unlike any other, a creature so strange that when scientists first examined it, many thought it looked like something from a nightmare. Its skin appears pale and ghost-like. Its snout extends outward like a blade. Its jaws can launch forward with shocking speed. This is the Goblin Shark, one of the strangest predators ever discovered, and perhaps the most mysterious shark alive today. To understand the Goblin Shark, we must first descend into its world. The journey begins at the surface. Sunlight illuminates the ocean. Fish dart through coral reefs. Dolphins leap through waves. Life appears abundant and familiar. But as we move deeper, everything changes. At 200 meters, sunlight begins fading. Colors disappear. Red becomes black. Orange becomes gray. The ocean transforms into twilight. Deeper still. 500 meters, 1,000 meters. The last traces of daylight vanish. Darkness becomes absolute. The pressure increases relentlessly. Every square inch of your body would experience forces impossible to survive without protection. Yet countless creatures thrive here. Some glow with bioluminescence. Others possess enormous eyes. Many appear more alien than animal. Among them swims one of the ocean's oldest secrets. The Goblin Shark. Unlike fast-moving predators near the surface, goblin sharks live a slower life. Food is scarce in the deep sea. Energy must be conserved. Every movement matters. Every hunt must count. The shark glides silently through darkness. Its body is surprisingly soft compared to most sharks. Its muscles are less developed. Its movements seem almost lazy. At first glance, it does not look like an efficient predator. Appearances are deceiving, because hidden within its skull lies one of the most extraordinary hunting mechanisms in the animal kingdom. The goblin shark's jaws are unlike those of any other shark. Most sharks bite by moving their entire head toward prey. Goblin sharks use a completely different strategy. Their jaws are attached by highly flexible ligaments. When prey approaches, the jaws can shoot forward with incredible speed. The movement is so dramatic that it appears almost mechanical, like a spring-loaded trap. Scientists studying high-speed footage were astonished. The jaws can extend outward several inches beyond the skull. For a brief moment, the shark's face transforms completely. Then the jaws retract. The prey is gone. The entire strike may last less than a second. In the darkness of the deep ocean, hesitation means starvation. The goblin shark cannot afford to miss. Yet hunting in darkness presents another challenge. How do you find prey when you cannot see? The answer lies in a hidden sensory system. Like many sharks, goblin sharks possess specialized organs called ampullae of Lorenzini. These structures detect tiny electrical signals produced by living animals, every muscle contraction, every heartbeat, every nervous impulse. All generate faint electrical fields. To humans, these signals are invisible. To a goblin shark, they are a map. The predator moves through darkness guided by electricity itself. A fish hidden beneath sediment cannot hide. A squid drifting nearby cannot remain invisible. Every living creature announces its presence. The goblin shark listens and waits. Somewhere ahead, a fish moves through the water. It cannot see the predator approaching. The shark senses the electrical signature. Slowly it adjusts course. The distance closes. The prey remains unaware. Then, suddenly, the jaws explode forward. The prey never sees the attack coming. In the darkness of the deep sea, vision is often useless. In a realm where food may be separated by vast distances, efficiency is everything. A failed attack wastes precious energy. The goblin shark belongs to one of the oldest shark lineages still alive today. Scientists often refer to it as a living fossil. Its ancestors existed during incredibly ancient periods of Earth's history, long before humans appeared, long before mammoths walked the planet. Relatives of the goblin shark were already patrolling prehistoric oceans. Some of their ancestors swam alongside dinosaurs. Imagine the world 125 million years ago, massive marine predators dominated the seas. Continents looked different, yet the lineage that would eventually produce the goblin shark endured. Ice ages came and went. Mass extinctions reshaped life on Earth. The goblin shark's ancestors survived them all. Few predators can claim such a history. This longevity reveals something important. The deep ocean changes more slowly than environments near the surface. Coral reefs rise and fall, forests expand and retreat. But the deep sea remains relatively stable. Conditions are harsh. Darkness is constant. Pressure never relents. Yet despite its ancient origins, humans knew almost nothing about the species for most of history. Very few people ever see one. Most goblin sharks are discovered accidentally. Occasionally they become entangled in deep-water fishing gear. One famous specimen shocked researchers. Its skin carried a strange pink coloration. Images of the species quickly spread around the world. Many people assumed they were looking at a prehistoric monster. Despite its terrifying reputation, goblin sharks pose little threat to humans. The two species almost never meet. Scientists know more about parts of the moon than they do about some areas of the ocean floor. And hidden within that darkness are countless other extraordinary creatures. Nearby, giant squid drift through the water. The deep ocean is not merely another habitat. It is a different world. A world shaped by extreme conditions. Researchers worry that fragile habitats could suffer irreversible damage. Deep-sea mining has become an area of increasing concern. The goblin shark itself remains surprisingly elusive. Much of its life remains unknown, and perhaps that mystery is part of its appeal. Beneath the waves lies a realm that still challenges human understanding. A realm where ancient predators continue their silent patrols. Thousands of feet beneath the waves, the goblin shark glides through black water, searching, waiting. Then in an instant, the jaws launch forward. The darkness swallows the event. Silence returns. For more than 100 million years, the lineage of the goblin shark has survived. A deep-sea monster that continues to fascinate.